Welcome to another R&M 422 do-it-yourself video. Today I will be working on this Honda CBR 1000F, and it's a pretty old bike, but we're going to be refurbishing the center stand. As you can see, I already treated it with some rust remover. I'm going to be sanding it down and then repainting it and remounting it on the bike. The easy way to do this is to remove this bolt here and similar bolt on the other side that connects it to this to the mount in the on the bike. In that fashion, you do not need to remove the spring, which is quite a challenge here. On the other side, we'll be removing this bolt here once I have the center stand back up and the bike leaning on only the side stand. That will free this up, take both these bolts off, one on each side, and I'll be able to drop that down. Okay, using a 9/16 or 14mm socket, I'm going to remove this side here, this bolt. Now I'm going to remove the second bolt. That's this one here. Once I release the bolt, the kickstand is going to drop down. Some tension there. So, okay, the bolt is out, and so I can take this off now and release the spring. Okay, I just finished sanding down the kickstand one more time, and I'm going to go ahead and wait until it dries and cures. Sand it a little bit more before I repaint it. I finished repainting the center stand for this Honda CBR 1000F, and put a couple of coats on there, and now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, before inserting the bolt on the right side of the bike for the center stand, you'll need to reattach the spring here. Bring it down to this area here and attach it, and then put in the bolt on the right side of the bike. Okay, I reattached the spring here, and you'll have to maneuver the center stand a little bit past the mounting hole here. Then go to the other side and insert the bolt on the right hand side of the bike. Just insert it all the way in. You don't tighten it at this point. Okay, I moved it into position and lined it up using the screwdriver. And put this back and the bolt. Okay, I'm going to leave it loose until I put the bolt in on the left side of the bike. Okay, I need to get it into position and then put in the screwdriver to keep it there. Okay, screwdriver's in. Then I'll need to put in the bolt. Okay, and the bolt is in. I'm going to go ahead and tighten up both sides. Okay, I finished tightening both bolts and finished the mounting of the center stand, and everything looks good.